Hey guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel and my first ever YouTube video. Proud of myself. I wanted to do YouTube a long time and I was delaying, but I decided to. Girl, you need to start. So this is my first video and I'm super excited for everyone who's gonna be watching this video. This channel is all about home decor, style, and cozy living. Shopping finds. If you know, you know. I'm T for that. And just me living the life that I created and the life that I love to live. From shopping finds, decorating tips, to real life home styling, I'll show you how to bring your vision to life one room at a time. On this channel, I'll be sharing how I decorate, simple things you can do to make your space feel more cozy, more beautiful, and just more like home. I'm all about keeping it affordable, easy, and stylish because you don't have to spend a lot of money to love your space. I'll also be sharing motivational tips, lifestyle content, and just bring you along the journey with me. So if that's something you're into, go ahead, subscribe, and let's create a life we love to live. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Yes, so I'm still excited. All when the video I finish, be excited. Bye. See you next time.